Good morning, sir, and good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to tell me about myself. My name is Purba Das. I'm come from Bagnan. Now, I want to share a topic which is why you should learn English. So, firstly, now we are standing on 2025. I mean 20s era. So, standing on this period, you should be learn English for many reasons. So we all know that English, which is a global language, and we cannot deny it. And also, we know that English has a worldwide significance. So it when it comes to traveling or visiting in different place, or when you went to abroad, you have to learn this language. So when you went to a different country, and if those people do not understand or do not speak your language, so on that time English will rescue you. So a little knowledge of English or a basic knowledge of English will help you when you visit in different countries. And when you went to a interview, and now most of the interviewers are মানে প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞাসা করে, ask question in English. So if you have learned English, so you have not faced any problem when you মানে ইন্টারভিউ দেওয়ার সময় at in the interview. So now I want to share my story, how I came here for learning spoken English. So when I was reading class 9, reading actually when I was reading class 7, I was thinking that I want to be an air hostess. So firstly, if I have to be an air hostess, so firstly I have to learn spoken English, because there the interviewers are speak. Okay. So the interviewers are telling the question in English. So firstly, I have to learn English properly. So many years later, I actually for my studies I cannot join any spoken English class. But when I was just completed my HS examination in the year of 2023, I told to my father that I want to join a spoken English class. So my father admitted me on a spoken English class in Bagnan. But from there I didn't have any better result, because মানে কি বলবো কেন বলতে পারি, there's a sudden cause. So some days later my father researched about it, and yeah, searching here and there, and then he মানে আমাকে জানালো যে এখানে informed me that in Mecheda there was a spoken English teacher who মানে শেখায়, who teach spoken English. So my when my father told me, the previous day I didn't remember the time when I came here. So on that day when my father informed me, I just মানে সব ঘেঁটে ফেলেছিলাম মানে সম্বন্ধে আর কি. I just searched everything about, explored everything about the spoken English class, about the spoken English teacher, everything. Okay. So I explored everything about the students, about the spoken English class, also about the teacher. So the next day I and my mother came to here, and my mother admitted me in this class. And on that time I was thinking that if I I had not learned any little bit of things from here, so my all money was just will be lost. So, and also at that time I was thinking that মানে কাউকে ফোন করে দেখা যেতে পারে কেন I called a student of this class, and I asked him a question. I asked him or her a question in English, just because I want to check that he or she, uh, yeah, the information is right or wrong. So মানে অনেক চিন্তা ভাবনা নিয়ে after thinking a lot, I just admitted here, and on that day I met with some students here. So they're too much মানে কি বলবো খুব they're too much friendly. So there was Anirbanda, Papiadi, and Somudra Nilda, and also there some others. I cannot remember their name. So on that previous day, when I just stand here for speaking my for delivering my introduction speech, I was just afraid, and মানে হাত কাঁপছিল. I was just trembling in fear, but they are just motivate. The students are motivate me that we are all came from your place, same condition. So I was just মানে একটু motivate. They motivate me a lot. So that's how I can. This way I just first day delivered the speech, and then next about 1 month or 15 days, I every day I share a video to our teacher about my introduction, and also why I how I spend my yesterday morning to night. Yeah. Yeah. So huh. And the teacher motivates us too much, and every single day I just came home when I get some free time. I just stand on our mirror and delivering the speech. That's where I gain too much confidence, and I truly believe that the English will definitely make you a confident and smart person. So yeah.
Consistency. Means of consistency means regularity. Regular touch it. Same last week
And every single day I read story books, because I am a মানে কি বলবো আমি খুব ভালো I love to read story books. So I brought so many story book of English. So every day I just read them. So that's why I gain some of knowledge in English. That's all about my topic. Thank you.